Nestled in the heart of Europe, Luxembourg is a country with a big significance. Bordered by Belgium, France, and Germany, this landlocked nation boasts a rich history and captivating landscapes. From medieval castles perched atop forested hills to charming villages nestled in verdant valleys, Luxembourg offers a rich tapestry of experiences for every traveler. Despite its size, Luxembourg has played a significant role in European history, leaving behind a legacy of architectural marvels and cultural treasures. Perched majestically on a rocky promontory, Vianden Castle stands as a testament to the architectural expertise of the past. Overlooking the quaint town of Vianden, it offers a glimpse into a world where history and beauty intertwine seamlessly. Vianden Castle is a sight to behold, with its towering walls and majestic presence. Dating back to the Roman era, this imposing fortress has witnessed centuries of history, standing strong through the ages. Luxembourg City, the country's capital, is a captivating blend of old and new, where history meets modernity in a seamless dance. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the city's historic quarter, Grund, is a network of cobblestone streets, charming bridges, and ancient fortifications. This area is a testament to the city's rich history and cultural heritage. The Alzette River gracefully winds its way through the city, dividing it into the upper and lower towns. This natural division adds to the city's unique charm and picturesque landscape. The Bock Casemates, a network of underground tunnels carved into the rock beneath the city, offer a glimpse into Luxembourg's defensive past. These tunnels have witnessed centuries of history and are a must-visit for any history enthusiast. Above ground, the city's skyline is punctuated by the spires of centuries-old churches and the modern architecture of the Kirchberg District, home to European Union institutions. Tranquility and remembrance. The Luxembourg American Cemetery Memorial. The Luxembourg American Cemetery Memorial is a tribute to the American soldiers who lost their precious lives during World War II. The cemetery serves as a lasting testament to their bravery and sacrifice, ensuring that their memories endure through the ages. Nestled amidst rolling hills and manicured lawns, the cemetery is a place of profound peace and reflection. The tranquil setting invites visitors to pause and contemplate the immense cost of war and the value of peace. This sacred space offers a place for quiet reflection and prayer, honoring the spiritual resilience of those who served. It is a reminder of the sacrifices made to preserve freedom. One of the hidden gems is Mullerthal Trail. Beyond its iconic landmarks, Luxembourg is home to hidden gems waiting to be discovered. The Mullerthal Trail, often referred to as Luxembourg's Little Switzerland, is a hiker's paradise. This scenic trail winds its way through dense forests, past moss-covered rock formations, and alongside gushing streams. The Bock Casemates, a network of underground tunnels and chambers carved into the Bock cliff, offer a fascinating glimpse into Luxembourg's military history. Pont Adolphe, or Adolphe Bridge, is a double-decked arch bridge in Luxembourg City. It is the perfect place for an evening stroll and to enjoy the beautiful view of the city. Named after Grand Duke Adolphe, the bridge was erected between 1900 and 1903 and used to be the longest arch bridge in the world. As we conclude our majestic journey through Luxembourg, we hope you have been inspired by its hidden gems and rich history. From the serene landscapes to the historical landmarks, Luxembourg truly is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, happy and safe travels.